What is Ringcentral? Ringcentral is a fully loaded voice over IP business phone service that can scale to the largest enterprise. And we're going to do a detailed review for you today on Agility Communications. This video is for any business owner or IT professional who's considering Ringcentral or is curious about its capabilities and pricing. Let me quickly explain who Agility Communications is and why you want to work with us to procure your next phone solution. Agility is your go-to IT, VoIP, Internet, and WAN connectivity broker, representing all the top-tier telecom and IT solutions for business in the United States. We represent every major VoIP phone carrier, Ringcentral being one of those, as well as every other top-tier Internet and wide area network carrier in the United States. Here on our website, you can see a few of the major carriers we represent. As tenured telecom professionals with 20-plus years of experience at major carriers, we specialize in helping businesses connect multiple locations, create synergy in their voice communication systems, and take advantage of emerging cloud technologies. We help you improve performance, save time, and money. By creating a relationship with your business and as an extension of your IT team, we will help you procure and better utilize voice communications, data connectivity, and cloud technologies. Our goal is to make you a more agile competitor in the marketplace. Let's go ahead now and take a look at the Ringcentral solution, and we'll go through the details of the features and functionality and review it for you. To start off, I'm going to show you quickly the Gartner Magic Quadrant. The Ringcentral solution, as you can see, is ranked up here among the leaders and visionaries in the UCaaS space. Basically, anyone doing unified communications, so Zoom, Cisco, 8x8, GoTo, Mitel, Vonage, I mean, you go on, and the top two are Microsoft Teams, which is for your larger enterprises, and then Ringcentral. So it's a very robust solution and is highly thought of. Let's jump over and take a look at the pricing real quick. I'll just jump to the pricing plans and show you. It starts off with an Essentials. This is really a very basic license. Really the sweet spot is the standard license that has all the functionality that most of the competitors have. So it starts out with the phone, SMS, text, and team messaging. Then on top of that, on the standard license, you get fax, video, and the analytics suite. So their standard license starts out a little bit higher price point at $27.99, but part of that is the feature functionality that it has. You can go larger if you need call center or some additional reporting, if you want some more complex multi-site administration, larger video meetings, and that sort of thing. But for most businesses, they're going to fit right here. Let's take a look at those features. I'm going to scroll down just a little bit here. Again, for the $27.99 standard seat, you get unlimited calls within the US and Canada. You get the call management and phone administration, so you're able to go from any web browser and make changes to the system yourself or with support from either us or the provider themselves. There's no limit to the number of users. You get a pool of toll-free minutes, unlimited audio conferencing, and one thing that's unique about Ringcentral is on-demand call recording. This is a very handy feature. Enhanced Business SMS that allows you to text your customers and have your numbers text enabled. Team messaging, which is your instant messaging like Slack or Teams or any of those type of features. So that's built in. I'm going to jump down here to voicemail to text. You can also do visual voicemail, which is really handy if you ever got in the habit of using that. Your cell phone providers oftentimes will offer that. So that's handy. And then, of course, voicemail to email. The video meetings that I mentioned earlier, you get up to 100 participants in a meeting. So it's pretty robust. You kind of get the Brady Bunch screen type deal, so you can have up to 100 people on there. You get 24-hour meeting durations, and it's high-def video, so it's high quality. The call reports, you get statistics and analytics on the traffic that you have coming into your business. Most traditional PBXs, you have to pay extra for hardware to do that. This is built in. You get the analytics that show how many calls you're getting, when's your busiest time of day, those kinds of things. Document sharing, this is a big one. We talked about that with your collaboration. Quality of service reports, this just gives you some more robust information, and they helps you troubleshoot if you have any issues. They'll drill down to all kinds of levels, clear down the ISP, and help you troubleshoot. Hopefully you won't need that because you'll have us to support you with that, but it's handy to have that reporting when you're trying to find where a problem is. We talked about the messaging. They do have a desktop and mobile apps for iOS and Android, PC and Mac. It's compatible with their Ringcentral rooms, which is comparable to a Zoom room or just basically a video conferencing room. So there's no additions there. Multi-level auto attendance. You get unlimited e-fax. So every user, if you're still using fax, some industries still use it, you can have your own fax DID, and there's no additional cost for that. There's all kinds of software integrations. I think a couple worth mentioning are Microsoft 365 and Google Workplace. This works with your calendaring. It'll work with those features of those different applications. So it also integrates with Salesforce and some of the others if that's a need that you have. You're going to get professional implementation, and you get 24/7 support. So it's a pretty good, robust list of features. I think it is a highly thought of, it's a highly credible solution. It's very robust, has a lot of features and functions, has good support. They are an industry leader, and really it'll fit any size business. Let's take a look now at the desktop software for the Ringcentral solution. You'll notice that its features are divided into three main categories: messaging, video, and phone. The messaging allows you to engage in conversations internally. Also, you can SMS text externally with people outside your organization. You can be part of a one-on-one conversation. You can be part of a group or even a team. Within the teams, you can post messages. You can share files. You can do calendaring. You can even start conference calls together or video calls. On the video section, you start, schedule, and join video meetings. So it's pretty simple in its use. You can integrate it with your Outlook calendar or Google Calendar if you're using Google, and you can easily join your scheduled meetings from your calendar as well. One special thing about Ringcentral is they will do call recording. The phone section displays your call history, your voicemails, your faxes, and any text messages. You can even bring up the dial pad to make phone calls straight out of your desktop. Obviously, you have the same capability on the mobile app as well. If you want to send text or instant messages, you can use all of those features on the desktop or on the mobile app. As you can see from looking at the features that we've gone over, the Ringcentral solution is one of the most feature-rich options out there. They'll fit any business, large or small. And of all the VoIP providers we represent, this is one of our top recommendations. If you've taken a look at this video and you feel like it's something you'd like to see more of, see how it would fit, maybe a custom demo how it would fit your business, what pricing would look like, please reach out to me directly and we will get a demo scheduled for you. We work hand in hand with Ringcentral. We can get special pricing because of the volume we do with them. So please reach out to us first and we'll get you set up with a custom demo. Thank you.